Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone is on a recent iOS release. Features shift across versions, so update if needed. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Control Center. This is where you add controls. Scroll the More Controls list and look for Low Power Mode. Add it if visible. If it's not present, don't stop. Make a shortcuts-based toggle instead, since shortcuts can expose low power mode to Control Center when the built-in control is absent. Now add the control itself. Tap the green plus next to low power mode so it moves into included controls. That places a button in Control Center. If you had to use shortcuts, open the Shortcuts app, create a new shortcut, add the action set low power mode, and set it to toggle, name it clearly. Once saved, go back to Settings, Control Center, and add shortcuts as a control so your new toggle appears as an item you can trigger from Control Center. Finish by testing. Swipe to open Control Center and tap the low power mode button or your shortcut icon. You should see the battery icon turn yellow in Settings. Battery will show low power mode active. If tapping does nothing or the control is missing, restart your iPhone and confirm iOS is up to date, then re-add the control. Also make sure Shortcuts has permission to run automatically. If problems persist, remove and recreate the shortcut, then add it back into Control Center.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.